Hello everyone, welcome to mathematics tutorial. So today we will discuss on how to change fraction to decimal and percent and vice versa. This is in business mathematics. So changing fraction to decimal and percent and vice versa, there are six. So number one, converting fraction to decimal. So how to convert fraction to decimal? So in order to convert fraction to decimal, so we simply perform division. For example, if we have example number 1, if we have number 1, we have 3 over 4. So change that into fraction or decimal. So we have simply perform division. So we have 3, divide natin yan sa 4. So ang 3 hindi pwede ma-divide sa 4, so add 0. So dito, pag add mo ng 0 dito, lagyan ng decimal, then sa taas decimal. Then 30 divide 4, that is 7. Then times 4, okay, we have 28. Then i-subtract lang natin, so that is 2. Then add ulit ng 0, then i-bring down. So 20 divide 4, that is 5. Then 5 times 4, that is 20. So the answer is 0.75. So 3 over 4, that is equivalent to 0.75. Lagyan ng 0 dito, pwede rin dito. Next, example number 2, we have 5 over 8. So we have 5 divide 8 divide 8. So we have add 0. So 50 divide 8, that is 6. 6 times 8, that is 48. Then subtract. So 2, then add 0 ulit. So 20 divide 8, that is 2. So 16. Add ulit ng 0. So we have 20 minus 16, that is 4. Then bring down yung 0. So 40 divide 8, that is 5. So 5 times 8, that is 40. So 5 over 8, that is equivalent to 0.625. Okay, next, how about example number 3? We have 4 over 5 equals, so 4 divide 5, that is, okay, add 0. 40 divide 5, that is 8. 8 times 5, that is 40. So 4 over 5, that is equivalent to 0.8. Okay, ito yung mga sagot natin in converting fraction to decimal. Next, number 2, converting fraction to percent. So to convert fraction to percent, we change the fraction into decimal by performing division and move the decimal point 2 places to the right, then affix the percent symbol. So for example, we have kanina, that is example number 1, we have 5 over 12 equals, okay, change muna into decimal. So 5 over 12, that is equivalent to 0.41666. Then decimal na ito, then change ulit to percent by move the decimal point. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 2 places to the right, so we have 1, 2. So that is equivalent to 41 point, dito na yung decimal natin, 6, 6, 6, or percent yan, or that is 41.67%. Round off. Okay, round off Next, example number 2, we have 8 over 11 equals, i-change muna natin to decimal, that is 0.72727. Then move the decimal point, ito, 2 places to the right. So that is 72.73%. Round off pa rin ito. Round off. Okay. How about example number 3? We have 3/4. Okay. So kanina, 3/4 is equivalent to 0.75. Then, move the decimal point. Ito, 1, 2. So that is 75%. And this one, example number 4, 4 over 5. Pag i-change natin into decimal yan, that is 0.8. Then, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So, we have 1, 2. So, that is 80%. Understood na may 0 na dito. So, that is 80%. Next, converting decimal to fraction. Decimal to fraction. So, we have to convert or to change decimal to fraction, we convert a decimal to a fraction with a denominator in multiples of 10, 100, 1000, and etc. And reduce the said fraction to lowest term. So for example, we have example number 1. We have 0.75. So decimal to fraction. So equals, dapat yung denominator is multiple of 10, 100, 1000, and etc. Mag-base tayo sa denominator. So i-count natin yung denominator natin. So this is tenths, 100. So ano yung denominator natin? So that is 100. Then yung numerator natin is the whole number of the given. So whole number, that is 75. Then i-reduce natin sa lowest term. Divide natin both side by 25. So equals, so 75 divide 25, that is 3 over 100 divide 25, that is 4. So 0.75, that is in converting to fraction, that is 3 over 4. Example number 2, we have 0.375. So i-count muna natin yung denominator. So this is tenths, 100,000. So that is 1,000. Then yung numerator, that is 700 or 375. Then divide lowest term. Pwede ka magsugod o magsimula sa pinakamaliit na number. So yung numerator and denominator is divisible by 125. This one is divisible by 125. So the result is 3 over 8. Pwede ka magsimula sa pinakamaliit na divisible sa numerator and denominator. Pwede sa 5. Okay. Next, example number 3. So we have example number 3, that is 0.0286. So pag i-count natin yan, so tenths, 100,000, 10,000. So the denominator is 10,000. Then yung numerator is 286 equals, divide natin yung dito sa 2, ito sa 2. So the result is 143 over 5,000. 143 over 5,000. So Next, we have converting decimal to percent. To convert decimal to percent, we move the decimal point 2 places to the right and affix the percent sign. So for example, we have converting decimal to percent. For example, number 1, that is 0.85 equals, okay, move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Okay, so that is 1, 2. So that is 85%. Okay, kanina ito. Then number 2, example number 2, we have 0.0075. Convert to percent. So move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So dito na yung decimal. So that is 0.75%. Okay. Next, number 3. So we have 3. Convert to percent. So understood na ang decimal niyan is dito. So move the decimal point. So understood na ito. Move the decimal point 2 places to the right. So 1, 2. So that is 300%. And number 4, how about 33.39? Change to percent. So move lang natin itong decimal. So 1, 2. So that is 3.339%. Okay. In converting decimal to percent. Next, converting percent to decimal. So to convert percent to decimal, we move the decimal point 2 places to the left and we drop the percent sign. So for example, we have percent to decimal. So we have number 1, 55% change to decimal. So move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So understood na dito yung decimal natin. So move 1, 2. So that is 0.55. Next, how about example number 2, 100%. So move the decimal point. So that is 1, 2. So that is equivalent to 1. So understood na may decimal na 100 na yan. Hindi na yan nilalagay pa. So that is 100% or that is equivalent to 1. And number 3, we have 250% change to decimal. So move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So we have 1, 2. So that is 2.50 or 2.5. Number 4, 23.56% change to decimal. So move the decimal point 1, 2. So that is 0.2356. Pwede rin hindi nyo lagyan ng 0 dito. Okay, next, last, converting percent to fraction. How to convert percent to fraction? So to convert percent to fraction, first change percent to decimal, then change the decimal to fraction and reduce to lowest term. For example, number 1, we have 14%. Change to fraction. So first we need to change this into decimal. Just move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So that is 0.14. Then i-count natin yung decimal. So tens, 100. So ang denominator natin is 100. Then ang numerator natin magiging whole number ng given. Then reduce to lowest term, divide by 2 divide by 2, so that is 7/50. Example number 2, we have 5% equals, that is 0.05. Then i-count natin, that is 100 yung denominator, then 5 dito, so divide by 5, so that is 1/20. That is 1/20. Okay, that's all.